Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss some complex problem on probability and that too related to time. So what's there in complex problem? Suppose we need to find the probability of odd number on first die and 6 on the second. Please be very careful about the use of this and or. Now I want odd number on the first die. So first check how many outcomes we have odd numbers in the first die. This line, right? This line and this line. And I want and 6 on the second. That means the common one. 6 on the second. How many? This 6. So out of all these 18 outcomes which has odd number on the first die, only 6 outcomes and 6 outcomes which has 6 on the second die, only 3 outcomes which contains both the colors, right? So do you agree that odd number on the first die and 6 in the second die, so probability of that will be only 3 divided by 36, which is 1 divided by 12. Now changing the language, probability of odd number on first die or 6 on the second die. So I want or. So like previous one, if I will take, now any of this I will take. This 6 outcomes, this 6 outcomes, this 6 outcomes, and this 6 outcomes. So total answer will be 18 plus 6. But out of those 18 plus 6, just check there are 3 outcomes which are occurring twice. So I have to subtract those 3. So 24 minus 3, total number of favorable outcome will be 21. Right? So what will be probability for this event? If I write this, probability of this event will be 21 divided by 36. If I simplify, I will get 7 divided by 12. Next one, probability of odd number or not or 6. Now here it is not mentioned that odd number in the first die or in second die. Right? So first just check if I'll calculate for odd number only. For odd number only if I'll calculate odd number in the first die, this 18 outcomes. Odd number in the second die, can you clearly see there are already some outcomes is happening twice. Odd number in the second die, some outcome is happening twice. Ready? So odd number in the first die, odd number in the second die, any of this, if I calculate total, it will be this 6, 6, 6, this 18 plus this 18, 36 minus this outcomes we have to subtract because this was happening twice. We can't take the same outcome for 2 times, right? So if I will do that, so then total number of outcome will be 27, right? So these 27 outcomes contain odd number in the first die or in the second die. Now if I will look after 6, 6 can be in the first die, 6 can be in the second die, right? So total how many? Total it will be 6 plus 5, 12, because 12 minus 1, because this event is occurring twice again. 6 on the first day. Now just check 27 plus 11, this is becoming 38. How? Because there has to be some event which was occurring more than one. Just check this event. We had taken this for 6 and we had taken this for odd number also. So 1, 2, 3, this event we subtract, right? Again 1, 2, 3. So this 6th event we will subtract, So total number of outcome will be 32 divided by, because we are going to subtract this 3 and this 3, so 38 by 6, 32 divided by 36. So if I simplify, it will be 8 divided by 9. Now, odd number or 6. So odd number or 6. Just check if we will, instead of calculating so many things, if we just take the complement set. So what will be the complement of this event? That means I don't want odd number and 6 in the events. How many events are there? Just check. Odd number and 6. I don't want any of this. So in this line there is no event contest as such, because all the events have 1. In this line just check 1, 2, 3, 4. If this 4 events, either odd number or 6 is there. So these 2 events which doesn't contain odd number and 6. Similarly this line we have odd numbers, all the numbers. Again these 2 events we don't have odd number and 6. Again this line all over we have odd numbers. This line all over we have 6. So these 4 numbers we have, 4 elements or 4 outcomes we have, such that there are not any odd number and not any 6. Right? So odd number and 6. So for this event, if I calculate it like this, 1 minus 4 divided by 36. That is 1 minus 1 divided by 9. Simple answer 8 divided by 9. So many times in probability, we have to do it like this, that we have to find the knot of that event or complement of that event. From there, you will understand what will be the original value of that event. So I guess all of you understood the concept of AND, OR, first die, second die. Just take this event. There is no first die, second die mentioned, so we have to just take the first, second die, any of this. So that's it. If you have any doubt regarding any sum or dice, please write me in the comment box. In my next video, I am going to discuss on maybe cards or die. Thank you.